Oh, forget it.
Oh, yeah, fractal Bitcoin. Oh, my God, my throat is still messed up. But yeah, this is revealed the real reason the Titanic sank. This is Jim Cramer on April 11th, 1912. This ship is unsinkable. There you go. Well, right now, the Bitcoin price is right around 97,000 even. You can see today we've had a pretty red day. We wicked all the way down into the 94K range, and now we've come up about 3,000 from there. But yeah, look, it reminds us of this candle from 5 days ago, which was the most violent Bitcoin candle ever, I believe. But you can see since we hit 100K, which was 5 days ago, and even before that, we've just been cruising up in general. The general trend is up, so that's really good. We're in a bull market. It's to be expected. And Bitcoin just made the highest weekly close ever at 101,197. Yeah, the week closed in the USA. The week closes on Sunday evenings. So yeah, that's a really good sign. And it is happening because look at this. The Bloomberg terminal now shows the Bitcoin price as 0.1 million instead of thousands. You see it right over here. 0.101 million, 0.105 million. Yeah, baby. Where do you think we're going?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, I'm telling you. Yeah, and this is the post-halving surge, which has never failed. After each halving, there was a post-halving surge. In the latest halving, which was from this March, Bitcoin is still in progress. A higher price is expected. Yeah. And look, we're just getting into the final 10 or 12 months of the bull run. And you can see these other boxes here show the massive, price increase, right? So that's what we're in for. So we're at 100K now. I'm not joking, but don't be surprised if 200K comes pretty quickly. Maybe in a month or two, right? We don't know. But Binance founder CZ says that the Bitcoin market cap should be way larger than gold's $19 trillion market cap. That would be at least a $1 million Bitcoin. And yeah, it's looking more and more like we're going to get a $1 million Bitcoin next year. And this is more information for you. Max Kaiser says, I'm raising my target price for Bitcoin from $220,000 to $2.2 million. I'm assuming he means next year in this bull run, because I'm sure that's what he means, right? But that's staggering. And here's the mayor of Vancouver saying that Bitcoin is the greatest invention ever in human history. And I like that. I also believe that. I mean, it's up there, right? There are probably like 5 inventions that are up there at the top. And, how are you going to tell which one is really the greatest? But they're all great. But yeah, Bitcoin is one of them. It really is one of them. And yeah, MicroStrategy bought another 21,550 Bitcoin. Yeah, this is yesterday, I think. They now hold 423,000 Bitcoin, worth $41.7 billion. Yeah. And here's Amazon. The shareholders propose Bitcoin acquisition. Yeah, the shareholders are messaging Amazon corporate and saying, yeah, we want a Bitcoin reserve. We should be buying Bitcoin. So, I mean, guys, 12 months ago, this was unthinkable. 12 months ago. Actually, 11 months ago, even. But yeah, and look, Apple, Google, Amazon, Microsoft, and these 10 companies hold $811 billion in cash, and they hold 0 Bitcoin. Yeah, every year cash loses purchasing power. They should buy a little Bitcoin, quote, in case it catches on, which is one of Satoshi's quotes. But yeah, look, there's a lot of money that's going to be coming into Bitcoin very soon. Like definitely within 6 months, all these guys are going to be buying and everything. It's going to be insane. Are you ready for the insanity? Are you stacking now for the insanity? Because when Bitcoin's at 200K, we're all going to look back and be like, oh my God, I could have bought it at 100K. And today we're at 97K. So yeah, this is good news. Again, more adoption. Czech Republic scraps the capital gains tax on crypto and Bitcoin held for over 3 years. Yeah, so if you hold your Bitcoin for more than 3 years, no capital gains tax. Yeah, and I know I reported on this last week, but yeah, let's hope this catches on around the world. Yeah, and here's more breaking news. Iran is to embrace Bitcoin and crypto with regulatory framework instead of banning them. Yeah, you think? Yeah, first Russia, then China, now Iran. BRICS are coming. Yeah, all the BRICS countries are going to basically adopt Bitcoin, right? I wouldn't even be surprised if they scrap whatever BRICS currency they have in mind and just use Bitcoin. Why not? And yeah, this is a weird story. I don't know. I literally don't know if this is true. I've sort of been waiting for Max Kaiser to comment on this, so I know if it's true. But apparently, El Salvador is to scale back their Bitcoin dreams to seal a deal with the IMF for $1.3 billion. And basically, the IMF is telling El Salvador that Bitcoin acceptance by businesses must be voluntary and not mandatory in order to unlock their $1.3 billion loan. So this is basic. If this is true, this is basically El Salvador kind of bending the knee to the IMF, which none of us want to see. Unless it's a strategic move for long-term gain, I don't know. I mean, maybe they're bending the knee to get $1.3 billion and they're going to invest in Bitcoin, and then the price is going to do a 5x, and then they're going to pay off their loan, and they're going to, maybe they're just borrowing this money to buy Bitcoin. I don't know. I literally don't know. We'll see. All right, subscribe to the channel because everyone does. Fractal Bitcoin. Oh, yeah. All right, and let's get into some US dollar news, nonsense, government nonsense, because Bitcoin solves mostly all these issues. First of all, Joe Biden, he was deemed too demented to stand criminal trial, but he can pardon others for their crimes. Yeah, this is what we call government. This is the ruling class. They don't operate on the same rules that you have to live by. No, and yeah, this is, we now have proof. Well, we've had proof, but we have a lot more proof of Operation Choke Point 2.0. Newly released documents from the FDIC shows a concerted federal effort to debank crypto companies, showing long-held theories were correct. Yeah, so people have been saying this for a long time. We've known this for a long time. But the government, of course, they denied it. No, we're not targeting crypto companies. That's a conspiracy theory. But of course it's true. Of course they debanked a bunch of crypto companies, right? And now it's all being exposed. So it's good that it's being exposed, but this is what government does, guys. Completely useless, corrupt, evil people. They just want to mess with you and your life. I'm tired of it. But yeah, this is back to Bitcoin news. This is OpenSats. They are a company that raises Bitcoin to support Bitcoin development. And this is a post from Saturday, 2 days ago, renewing our commitment to Bitcoin. Yeah, and they're literally they're funding, or they're continuing their funding for these, 9 or 8 companies? 9 companies. So yeah, this is great. And look, if you want to support Bitcoin development, you can actually give money give Bitcoin to OpenSats. If you want to zap them some sats, they don't keep any of the sats. They literally pass all the sats to developers. I think they're a nonprofit, I believe. So yeah, anyway, that's good news for Bitcoin development. And here, yeah, Bitcoin Mena is going on right now in Abu Dhabi. There's our friend of the show, Isabella, on some panel. But yeah, I'll put the link so you can actually watch live and you can watch replays. And also, I didn't mean to go forward. But yeah, you can also, there's a page where you could see what events are upcoming. Yeah, I guess this is like a 2 or 3 day event in Abu Dhabi. Starts today, Monday, December 9th. So the link's below. And yeah, here is a documentary I found. It's called The Biggest Heist Ever. Apparently it's on Netflix, so I won't be able to watch it. But the description says, their crimes earned them the nickname Bitcoin Bonnie and Clyde. And the story only gets weirder in this documentary about the most lucrative heist ever. So yeah, apparently this is newly available to Netflix, so I'll link to it below. Let me know if you watch it or if you like it. But yeah, check this out. In China, they held a drone show with fireworks. Yeah, and it immediately drew parallels with anime and video games. Look at this. This is literally drones and fireworks. I think it'll zoom out in a second. Oh yeah, I don't know what that says. Yeah, this is like way in the sky above the city. You can see the city below. Isn't this insane? I saw a drone show this summer. It was amazing. These drone shows are getting crazy. But yeah, not to brag, but I was alive when you could slam the phone down to hang up on someone. It was spectacular. Yeah, you could. And when you slammed it down, because the bell ringers are in there. When you slammed it down, you'd hear like cring, like it would ring a little, like not ring like brrr, not like that, but it would just ching. But yeah, that was good. And here is your phone when you say you want to buy something. Right? Dude, this is crazy. This is why I have a de-Googled phone running graphene operating system, because I can actually turn off my camera and my microphone. So nobody, even if you hacked it into, well, I'm sure there are hackers that can do anything, okay? But anyway, yeah, and this is when you fart in a Zoom call and your name lights up. Oh, come on. That's so stupid. It's funny. All right, now, look, I asked the wise man, tell me, sir, in which field can I make a great career? He said with a smile, be a good human being. There's a lot of opportunity, great need, and very little competition. So yeah, I wanted to come back to this because this is sort of the Bitcoin ethos. This is like proof of work, but in your life and with your character. If you're a good person, you be a good human being, there's a lot of opportunity out there. You know, the saying that you can't keep a good man down is literally true, because if you're just good and helpful and with a good character, people want to be around you. Someone's going to hire you and someone's going to pay you. So just always keep that in mind, right? Like, you know, yes, we're in Bitcoin for the gains, but we're also in Bitcoin because, well, mainly because it takes the money away from the state, the control of the state. But also there's an ethos behind Bitcoin about proof of work, right? Putting in the work, doing what you have to do, doing what you should do. So always keep that in mind. And I thought this was interesting from William Santiago. It's astonishing how many societal perceptions of wealth are often misleading. Having a modest $300 in savings and a luxury car worth $100,000 on a lease can create the illusion of prosperity, while actually owning a valuable asset. While actually owning a valuable asset like one Bitcoin worth $100,000 and driving a practical $5,000 Corolla can make you appear impoverished. So this goes along with what we were just talking about, character. Appearances are not what they seem. So don't be afraid of appearing like you're not rich or anything like that. It's better to fly under the radar, you know? Live simple, stack sats. That's what it's all about. Yeah, don't forget the Bitcoin Amigos live stream is every Friday, 4 p.m. Eastern, and definitely I'll link to it. But yeah, definitely subscribe to the Bitcoin Amigos channel, because you can see we have 160 subscribers now, but we really want to grow that channel. And just so you know, there's 3 hosts. It's me, Jor from 88 Sats Radio, and Jerry Loves Freedom. So check out their YouTube channels as well. And this is our website, fractalbitcoin.com. You can actually donate on this donate page. I'm using Zaprite, so you can send me Satoshis or US dollars. And I really appreciate all your donations and your support, because you're my only support, and I really appreciate it. So thanks for watching. Definitely subscribe to this channel, Fractal Bitcoin. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Let's go. And yeah. And to wind up, another personal message from me: stay strong. We're gonna have a lot of fun this bull run. We really are. We're gonna have a lot of fun, especially the Bitcoin Amigos streams on Fridays. It's gonna be amazing. I've been making songs for the Bitcoin Amigos. I have almost a whole album's worth of songs already. They're really good. But we got to stick together during this bull run, and we got to play it smart. It's, you know, the bull run's fun and stuff, and it's exciting and it's exhilarating and it's pumping, but we still have to play it smart. So we always need to stick together, right? There's a tendency when we're succeeding and having lots of success to think that you know everything and go off on your own, but stick together. That's why I'm here, and we can all succeed together. So I appreciate you. Thanks, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow.